Okay, quick trade recap. I'm still in the trade actually. Um, got long, added, scaled out most of my position, and I'm now just waiting for final target to hit or the stop loss, which I'll probably continue to trail. But quick thesis for the trade. Looking at this 5 minute here, intraday res level. Same thing seen on the 1 minute here. I was simply just watching for this level 2 break and then retest and push up again to continue this intraday uptrend. And I was looking on my higher time frames for the next possible area that I'd like to target. And it is best seen on the 30 minute, I believe. 5,600. I'm in the way wrong spot. Okay, so it's this previous support level. It was a low day here, bounced the market there. It's 30 minute time frame. But that's like the next key level, which I think we could target. You can see it here. Market's gotten very close and is now kind of rejecting. We'll see if that holds or not. Yeah, but obviously this is a very big target for the amount of risk that I had on this trade. I got in on this candle, risking just below this level. Holy crap, that's a aggressive candle. Yeah, so my first scales were just all throughout this initial push. Most of them were limit orders and market orders, and then I had one trailing stop loss get hit here. And yeah, this is currently what the trade looks like. I was actually pretty close to bumping the stop loss up right before that happened to somewhere in here. But I did not get the chance to do that, but I am going to bring it up just a little bit. Just below that low we just made. Hopefully that can hold, and we'll see a push up in the target. But yeah, I'll get into the confirmation for the trade real quick. Forgot to do that. This is a very important part. Okay, so I got in at 143. On my initial. So I see a break of this level here. This is breaking the res level. We break through the ask, get a nice little push, and usually I'd like to see a little bit more of a pullback. However, I didn't. I started seeing this consolidation, which to me looks like acceptance. I just boosted that up a little bit. It looks like it got taken, yeah. Okay, I just boosted that to 590. Did botch a few points because I was about to move it here. However, still a very solid trade, and it still easily could play out. I have to get off and go to work. If I didn't have that, I would have just kept my stop down here, targeting that or an initial target. Yeah, but the confirmation originally was just this consolidation, seeing these sellers failing here twice, seeing some acceptance of price, just not much resistance here. I'm just thinking price is going to push higher. We get a little pull or push. Then this aggressive pullback into the bid where we kind of break the bid for a minute, but it rebids here. And that was my confirmation to add another contract when this bot. Okay, where'd that go? What did I do? Sorry. Okay, when this buying came off of that bid. And then shortly after entering, we got super aggressive. I mean, this just swept through those asks. That took my first target, which essentially put me at risk-free while still holding the rest of my position to full stop loss. Yeah, and then we rallied a little bit more, got out some more on this push, got out some more, and then I had some trailing stops hit here. All right.